Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to move a single email to the junk folder. So first you go to mail and then inbox, and then choose the email, and then you swipe left and tap there, and then tap move to junk, and your email will directly move, and then you just tap on junk, and then there's your email in the junk folder, and that's it. So it's a very simple way to move your emails to the junk folder. So that's it for today. I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.